the snow. It's okay. We got a Trackhawk. Alright. Welcome back to the vlog, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with another banger. As you can see, it's snowing outside. I got my GoPro up here. Let's get these on. And the thing is, I do feel comfortable driving in the snow in a Trackhawk. Now the only thing is, I don't think I have the proper tires. I have Toyos all around and they're sport tires. They're not the all-season tires. I did have the Pirellis on here all seasons, but I switched them to these and then it started snowing. So we're gonna put it in snow mode. We got sport, track, tow, and then we're gonna put it in snow. So let's pull that up here. Okay, so snow would put the transmission in snow mode, paddle shifters on, stability control full, all-wheel drive system is 50-50, suspension and steering is in street. So let's take the Hawk out. I hope you guys are having a great day. I am having a great day as well, and I thought I would just make this video for you guys of driving the Trackhawk in the snow, and we're just gonna try to have some fun in it. The snow isn't that thick, you know. I wish it was thicker. It would be a lot more fun in the Trackhawk, but unfortunately it's not. Ooh, we got a nice car right here. What is that? It's M40 X4. Those are nice. It's an M40i. So since the last time we did a POV, my car is catless now. And the reason I went with catless is because the cats got clogged up and started melting. So that was a big problem we had to fix. Oh, I gotta take a U-turn, but we can't because it says wrong way. All right, and let this Nissan Versa go. Okay. All right, we're good. So they started melting, got clogged up, obviously because we're running higher boost than stock and the car is on E85s. So I had to get rid of them and I cut them out. The Trackhawk is louder and I'll have you hear it out in a second. Let's make sure the temperatures are good. The oil temps are 186, so that's pretty good. Let's check on the coolant temps. Oh, we got a cop. Coolant temps 185, that's pretty good. It's 31 degrees outside, by the way. It is pretty cold. Let's see how we're looking. So here is the view. Make sure I got the good angles for you guys. All right, we're good. Let's see. 248 garage. I wonder what they got there. Oh, looks like there's a Porsche in there. I don't know. They might be a car dealership. So the thing I was worried about when I was gonna go catless, which is in the first place, I didn't go catless because I did not want this car to be so loud that I wasn't able to hear the supercharger whine. That's my favorite part about this car, is the supercharger whine. But we still got the supercharger whine. The car is a lot louder. You could definitely hear it on idle. We're gonna put it in track mode and have you guys hear this car out after this light turns green. I'm also gonna do a couple downshifts for you guys. Oh, traction control is off. Let's turn it on because we need all the traction we can get. I'm kind of worried about these tires in the snow. They don't do that well. They kind of slip everywhere. As you guys can hear, the supercharger whine is still there. Oh. So KA means that it's 100% cop. Sometimes K means cop as well, but KA is 100% cop. This is also an Escort 360. So big shout out to Escort for sending this out to me. I got it about I think 6 months ago they sent it out to me, so big shout out to them. Let's hear more downshift. Okay, there's a cop, so we gotta slow down. Oh, the cop is over there. Let me show you guys. Oh. There's 2 of them. Look at that. They got that pickup truck pulled over right there. Told you, this thing is super accurate. So we're on Woodward, which, quick fact, the first paved road in America. I don't know if it's the world or America, but I know for sure that it's the first paved road in America. Literally. So it's a very famous road, and that's the road we are driving on. And during the summer, there's a lot of car meets, a lot of cool cars. If you are from Michigan or you're visiting Michigan, during the summer, if you want to see cool cars, Ferraris, Lambos, muscle cars, whatever cars you want, JDM, you will see them all here on Woodward. This is like the place where everybody cruises, and it's a pretty big road. We got 4 lanes, so definitely a lot of room to cruise. Now the only thing is, oh my god, what is all that? The only thing is there are a lot of cops out here, so you have to be careful. Let me take you guys here. And this is Birmingham, so a really nice city. This is like the downtown area. The supercharger wine is just like, just does it for me. Also, in the comments below, I want you guys all to comment down what is the perfect vehicle that you would choose to drive during weather like this. It has to be something cool, like maybe a Raptor, a TRX, I don't know, a G63, a 4x4, I don't know. Talk to me in the comments below. Oh, see, that's a Range Rover right there. The new Range Rovers are beautiful. There's a new building getting built right here. I like these a lot, by the way. The Land Rovers, I love this color too. That's a really cool color, the brown. I wonder what they're building here. So it's a nice little cool downtown area. A lot of good food around here. This place is good. It's called the Dachi. They have like sushi and things like that. Let's open this up. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, during winter, it becomes super hard to make content, and this winter's probably been my worst winter in creating content. Like, I just can't think of ideas to film just because, like, I don't know. After making so many videos, it becomes a lot harder to film, and I know I've said this so many times, and I've been lacking creativity lately. Like, I don't know what to do. I gotta go see a doctor that can help me get my creativity back. So the roads are super tight here. This guy, watch out, man. We got a Tesla here. We got an M50i or M50. Oh, let's go this way. They got a nice, what is that, a Range? Those are nice, Range Rover Sport. I think that's the new one too. I hope you guys can see everything. We got a GLE 450. Let's see if you guys are seeing it. Let's see. Yeah, you guys are seeing everything. We got a Wagoneer here. Cool cars, but these have horrible resale value. A friend of mine had one of these. He bought it, lost 20 grand literally in the first 6 months. Oh, look at this old couple walking. Coles. Yeah. That's a police station, by the way. Let's go this way. There's always cool cars in Birmingham as well. Just not today. I doubt anybody is gonna be bringing their nice cars out. on a day like this, you'll see more SUVs. Oh my Jesus Christ. Holy moly. Wow. Look what we have here. We have a Brabus G800. Wow. I hope you guys can see this. Let's see if you guys can see this. Yes, you guys can see this. Oh my God. That is... Wow. That's one of my dream cars, a Brabus G800. Wow. Wow. So as you just seen, you'll always find cool cars here. Even on a day like this, somebody brought out their, you know, $400,000 or $500,000 car, drive it in the salt, in the snow, and they don't really care. And I mean, that's, I guess, when you have too much money. And this is like my live feed that I can see what I'm doing, just to make sure you guys are getting, you know, good view. Because I posted a video one time and it was the worst filmed POV video ever. We'll try to do some pulls for you guys, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? As soon as this light turns green. There's a Starbucks here. There's a jewelry store there. There's Lululemon there. A lot of cool places here. I don't know if this light is ever gonna turn green. All right, turn green. There's also a lot of cops here, so... Oh, okay. Come on, keep going. People just don't pay attention. Escalade, I love the Escalades. I like the color on this one too. Yeah, nice Escalades. The V's are nice. The only thing about the V's is they're just too expensive, you know? Like from the regular one to the Escalade V, we're talking about an extra $80,000. For yes, you do get the supercharged 6.2, you get more power, sounds amazing, but it's still way slower than a Trackhawk. It's slow. It's the slowest SUV in that category. You know, in the sports SUV category, it's the slowest. We got another G63 here with Florida plates. Love the color. We see a lot of SUVs are here, and really nice, expensive SUVs. Everybody has a Range Rover. Downshifts are brutal. So that's pretty much all of downtown. I mean, I think it's like a mile and a half long. Sounds really good. I thought when I was going to, you know, cut the cats, I thought my exhaust was going to be way louder. It's actually not. Sounds pretty good. I still have my mufflers on, so that's probably another reason why it's not that loud. I thought that was a cop. I think Explorers should be only for cops, because they always throw me off when I see one. See, that guy has a Raptor right there. Bunch of cool cars out. I'm gonna take you down these really crazy roads here. I hope the snow has been plowed there. Yo, 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 yo! What is wrong with you, brother? He was willing to cause an accident just to go in this U-turn. What is wrong with this guy? The Raptor is behind me, by the way. I don't know if you guys can see it, but probably not. But people cannot drive. Like, you gotta be patient. It is not worth causing an accident. And you shouldn't assume that I know where you're going when you're just in the middle of the road. What is wrong with people? Little car, you know what would happen if I hit him? Oh my God, he would have been in pieces. This road looks so good. Look at that. Got all the trees covered in snow. I'm gonna check again. I'm sorry. I have like OCD about this. Like, I hope you guys can see when I go close. Yeah, you guys can see the road. That raptor is literally following me. It's right there. Well, he's not really following me, but he's behind me. Let's see if we could see him over here. I think we could like go to the rear view camera. Backup camera. It's right. Oh, it's dirty. You can't see. Drive modes. We're driving in track mode with traction on. By the way, traction is on. Let's see. What do you guys think? Do you guys think if you was to have a Trackhawk, would you drive it in a weather like this? I know a lot of people are super weird about driving their nicer cars in snow, but you know, the Trackhawk is an SUV. It's a daily type of vehicle, so I didn't think it was an issue. Now, I've even driven my Corvette in the snow with drag radials on the back, so I pretty much will do anything for content. But I guess if it wasn't content, then I probably wouldn't do it, but who knows? Oh my God, that's a cop. That's a cop! Wow. He didn't have his radar on, but he probably heard me going pretty fast. Just check these beautiful roads out. Oh my God, look how nice they are. It is so beautiful driving down these roads. Let's open this up. Maybe you guys can hear the car better. Wow, the downshifts are brutal. Look at the scenery here. The snow looks so good. So I think the reason it says X is I think it's from the traffic lights. The traffic lights could also trigger this to go off. Not always. This radar is actually pretty good. It doesn't have a lot of... Let's see if we could turn left. 2 to 4 p.m. Oh, we could turn. That light, it literally said I couldn't turn left from 2 to 4 p.m. and then from 9 to 2 p.m. I don't know. These roads are nice. We should probably raise it. Whatever. This is my airlift, by the way. You guys ever wondered? It's like this little iPod looking thing. And I could raise the car, and it tells me on each side how much PSI I have. So I have 100 in the back and then 140 in the front, and that kind of keeps tracks of everything. I do want to go into a parking lot and start doing donuts. Give you guys a POV of what that looks like. I also want to find a road that is not plowed, like a smaller road, but we are in a really nice city and they pretty much plow here. You know, this is like one of the most expensive cities to live in, so they plow here, you know. As you can see, the roads are clean. They've applied salt, and basically what salt does, oh, that road, we got to go through it. That was not plowed. Basically what salt does is it melts the snow. We gotta go back into that one. That road was not plowed. Yeah. I want to put that Trackhawk. All right, let's go through here. Okay. If you are new to the channel, which I doubt any of you guys are, you guys probably know what the deal is. This Trackhawk makes 1,000 horsepower. So it's super fun in the snow. I always wondered, is it possible to get stuck in the snow? Now I hope I didn't speak too soon. Oh my God, it's a private road. That's why it's not plowed. Okay, we gotta turn around because I'm not supposed to be here. But they got some really nice houses, as you can see here. You always see the nicest house with like just regular cars. Like, look at this house. Look how freaking big it is. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. It's a freaking castle. All right, so I gotta turn around. I can't even tell where the driveway is or where anything is. This is horrible. I think that's the driveway. I don't want to fall anywhere. I hope this is not a bad idea. Okay, we gotta be careful here. Okay, what's this? Like, there's literally rocks right there. I don't want to hit the rocks either. I don't know if you guys can see it. They're covered in snow. So if you don't know they're there, then you pretty much will run them over. Look at that. Look at that rock right there. There's more rocks all over. All right, we're gonna get out of here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Imagine if I hit that mailbox. Oh. Sounds good though. I'm gonna try to go straight. I think they haven't plowed that part. Alright. Let's see, no cars this way. And we're clear this way, clear that way. Oh my God. I'm gonna put it in snow mode. I wonder what it will do in snow mode. I think it just kills power. See, because it's not that cold out, some of the snow is melting. Oh, there's a car. Okay, I'm gonna put it in track mode. And we're gonna leave traction on. I do think that the Trackhawk could literally plow through any amount of snow. Now the only thing is, I want to see more snow than this. I really do. We gotta go to a parking lot that there's a lot of snow. So we gotta get out of this neighborhood. A lot of big houses here. Look at this. This house is literally so big, it covers 2 different sides of the road. Wow. Motivation. All right, we gotta figure out a way to get out of here. Oh my God, look at these houses. Yeah, they're not as big as the other ones, but they're still really nice houses. Okay, now our goal is to find, we're gonna probably, I don't even know which way to go. That way maybe? We gotta find a parking lot that we could just do a bunch of donuts. Let me see how long we've been filming for. 24 minutes. You guys see that right there? Boom, 24 minutes right there. All right, I think we're clear to go. Oh shit. way to go. Let me pull my maps up. Oh, there's not maps. We're going this way. We're going that way. Okay, let's go this way. These roads are so nice to drive through. And you got the mailman just sticking his thing out. Oh, this is the same road we just came through. Got it. Okay, I think I know where I can go to. Oh, same traffic light. I think if I go all the way through here, we could find a nice parking lot to do some donuts in. Let's see. We are also strapped up, of course. So if you guys wonder what my daily carry is, I got a 43X, and that's my daily carry. Really, really good. I like the Glocks is because they're just so consistent and they work, and you know, cops also use them, so that tells you everything you need to know. Wow, that's I think that was an X6 or 7. Such beautiful roads. Oh, that was a parking lot. Oh, we'll find another one. We will find another one. Close the window. So we are on the hunt to find an empty parking lot that has snow, that has not been plowed yet. And there's a few parking lots coming up. Let's hope that we can have room to do that. And that we seen one, but it was a church. Downshifts are so nice. We got a parking lot here, but it looks like it's been plowed already. There's one coming up that I think it will not be plowed. Oh, yep, that's the one. It's not been plowed yet. Let's go through here. See the entrance, but I think there's a security, so let's keep going. Look at the rest of these houses, they're huge. I'm gonna hit a U-turn because I think that was a security that may be looking out after that parking lot. We got some snow here, but I want a parking lot. Oh, I actually hate security because they are people that think that they're cops, and they always wanted to become a cop and they never did. So they take their job beyond serious. Okay. Let's go here. We should probably talk about the next car that I want to get. And I think I'm gonna be going with the BMW, okay? And it's between an M3 and an M4. And here it is. Here's the security. Look at this guy. We gotta find another parking lot. I think that security's like guarding the place or something. So it'll be either M3 or M4. I have not found an M3 with the specs that I want. I'm still looking, but we'll find one. Okay, I don't want to rush into this. I don't like rushing into buying a car and getting something that I really don't want. So we're gonna continue to look for something that I do want, and it's gonna be most likely an M3. I need the carbon bucket seats. I need it to be the 23 model and up, because they got a whole new like screen. It's like a big screen, so they changed the entertainment system. And yeah, so those are two main things. It has to be a 23 and up, and it has to have carbon bucket seats. I don't care about the exact color of the carbon bucket seats. They could be white, they could be the orange, or they could be red. They could definitely not be black. I will not get the black ones. So hopefully we find some. Believe it or not, a lot of people have not spec'd the M3 out with the carbon bucket seats. That's a 430 right there with a cute chick driving him. So I don't see that many carbon bucket seats for sale. Not sure why. Everybody is just specking them out with the comfortable seats. The carbon bucket seats I heard were not really comfortable. So I see why people don't get them. But still, you know, like I think they look a lot better. And if I was to get an M3, it'll be my first BMW. And I would want to go all out. I'd want to get the baddest spec you could get, you know, carbon fiber everywhere. Although that's not like a priority, I don't care, because I think I could just buy the carbon fiber for like the splitter or the diffuser. I could buy that. I would want everything else. What is that? Oh, is that a... Oh, I thought it was like a Jeep SRT or something. Just nothing. Dude, I can really not find a parking lot. This is embarrassing. We will find a lot, I promise you guys. There's got to be a lot somewhere here. We are in like literally the best city, one of the best cities in Michigan. So they plow everything, you know, and they don't let the snow build up. Most cities don't care. Did you guys just hear that backfire? Probably not. That is the ugliest color on a Jeep. Blue with white accents. No. I think there might be a parking lot here. Let's go through here real quick. We did do donuts in a parking lot in the Jeep for Snow. It was my last video if you guys want to check that out. But I want to do it with like the inside POV. We have been filming this video for a very long time. Let's see where we're at in time. Low power mode, come on. 34 minutes, that's a very long time. Don't worry, we're almost done. I just wanna find an empty parking lot. This guy just threw a bunch of papers out. What a moron. We got a couple cars. And then that's Platinum Motorsports. They sell a lot of cool cars. Mayweather Boxing. Also, they got a boxing gym right here. Let's see what they got in there. Oh, they got some McLarens, Porsches. place right there, Primo's Pizza. I'm putting you guys on all the good spots. If you're from Michigan, of course. Okay. Well, this parking lot is okay. I mean, I can't do donuts here literally because there's so many cars. But we got a little bit of snow. Not really, bro. This city really plows everything. I picked the worst place to come. They're literally plowing it right now. So maybe we could go have fun before they finish plowing it. Look, he's plowing it right now. He's right in front of me. There was a lot of snow. So maybe the back has not been. There's literally a dealership here. Look at that. It's an Audi dealership inside a plaza. I've never seen that. There's literally, oh, it's like a service center. Okay. Okay, so I think he hasn't plowed here. But also, I don't know if this is a parking lot. I want to do one donut for you guys, just one. Like, is this too much to ask for? Okay, it's probably not the best idea to do it around cars. Last resort. That's a gorgeous house right there. If I had like the Pirelli all seasons, I wouldn't be as scared to have fun with this, but I think we got a parking lot. I think we got one, guys. Oh my god, I almost hit that. Okay, this is not a parking lot, but it's something, right? It's something. It's something. I mean, there's no way I could do a donut here. I'll turn traction off. Maybe I could do like a nice turnaround without hopefully hitting anything. Oh, that's a curb. No, that's not a curb. I'm tripping. Alright, let's do it here. Literally, one of the business owners just came out. He literally said to keep doing donuts. That's good enough. Good thing we got the approval of one of the business owners. He literally came out the back and said, keep doing donuts. He started filming, and yeah, so we are good. I love you guys. Actually, before we let you guys go, let me just pull over here real quick. Oh, that car was coming. I want to show you guys how disgusting the car looks right now. We'll pull over right here. Let me get the camera. All right. Well, it doesn't look that bad. We got snow all up in there. Look at all the snow. The idle sounds so good. And I literally just cleaned this thing the other day. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should wide body the Trackhawk? She looks so good. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys like these POV videos, and I'll continue to make them. I love you guys. Subscribe, like, and run the views up on this video. Share it with every single person you know, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.